Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Welcome to Nutrition by Jules. I'm Jules, bringing you all things wellness for your pregnancy and postpartum journey. I'm here today in my kitchen with my daughter. Would you like to say your name? No. This is Hilda. And what are we making? No.
You say.
Coconut blueberry bars?
Yeah.
Yeah. These are also what Hilda calls an Elsa cookie because they're white with blue in them because they're like snowflakes. And we love to eat these as treats and snacks, sometimes for breakfast. Only 4 ingredients: coconut, unsweetened, full of fiber, a little sweetener here, maple syrup, coconut oil to make everything stick together, and frozen blueberries, which are in the freezer, and I'll grab them out when we need them. A little antioxidant kick and some beautiful color, right? Then we have a food processor, which you don't have to have if you have like the really fine coconut. You can just stir this around in a bowl, but we've got kind of big coconut chunks. And I like to blend my blueberries, but you can also do whole blueberries, but we're gonna zap them in a little food processor. It's like a mini food processor too. And then I've got a little tray, which actually is a Tupperware, a glass Tupperware. You don't have to put a liner in it, but I did put a parchment because it's easier for me to take it out and show you what they look like after. But you can also just leave them without the parchment, and they'll just cut right out of the pan just fine, or whatever you're going to stuff them into. And these are no bake, so we don't need the oven. We're just going to stick them in the refrigerator for a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No bake. No bake.
No bake.
No.
All right, let's do, you want to pour, I have a glass measuring cup that I'm going to do my 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You sure can.
Can I taste this?
I don't think you're going to like it. But after you scoop it, and after we scooped everything, you can. So you have to do the whole thing.
What does it taste like?
Not coconut, but and oil. And like oil. Okay, you want to pour it in there? There's one. After we dump them in.
Please taste it.
Yeah, give it a shake out. There's the second spoonful. You want to hold it? All right, Hilda's going to see what coconut oil tastes like. She's never had it plain before. Coconut oil has short chain and medium chain fatty acids, which means it bypasses your liver and goes straight to your bloodstream. So you can use it meanly for energy, which some people think is pretty cool. You know, not for everybody, but it does work. All right, so I put this in a glass container because we're going to heat it up real quick because I want it to be liquid. So into the microwave, 30 seconds. And while we do that, we're going to put our...
Can I taste some?
Okay, there's 1 cup of coconut. We're going to pour it into our food processor. Yay! Checking to make sure my... Perfect. All right, coconut oil is ready. Coconut's in there. Got a little bit spilled on the counter, but that way Hilda can sample some. We got to plug it in or it's not going to work, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we're going to put 4 tablespoons. So I'm just going to use the same tablespoon measure. Are you going to help me with the maple syrup while you're snacking? Okay, hold it right over the top of the measure. You got it? Okay, we're going to do 4 of these, which is also a quarter cup. It's the same thing. 4 tablespoons is a quarter cup. But we're just going to measure it in the same holder that we had our coconut oil. Oh, there's less to clean up. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3. Last one. 4. You want to give that a little stir?
Yeah. Can I also taste it?
How about you put your finger right in there? Taste that. Ooh. Maple syrup. Can't go wrong. All right, thank you for giving that a little stir. All right, and now blueberries.
Stop. Can I taste
Yeah, you can eat a couple of frozen blueberries. All right, so we're gonna pour. Hey, now with our hands. I'm gonna pour some in here. Okay, go ahead and take a couple out of there. We're gonna do 3/4 of a cup. You can do anywhere between a half a cup and a full cup. Depends on how much you like blueberries. We got about 3/4 of a cup in there. Go ahead and pour it in with our coconut. Yep. Back in the freezer with those. We're making a mess, aren't we? That's okay. All right, lid goes on. Twist it so it locks. Grind. Nope, leave it there. Push the grind button. Yeah. Woo! And go again. Hold it down. Hold it down. Good. Let's go. Yay! So, whoop.
Open it.
Yeah, so that's got our. Ooh, now our coconut's all shredded. It's pretty, huh? And our blueberries are all shredded up with our coconut. Whoa.
Let's get some more. Let's get that.
We're going to put it right into our glass container. Then you can stir it with that spoon, okay?
Can I pour it in?
Well, we're pouring this in there, and then you got to stir it with the spoon.
Oh. I can't get some on me.
Sorry.
Can I eat some of
Okay, give it a little try.
that? Can you help me not spill?
So here's the trick though, kiddo. We got to stir really, really, really fast. Really, really, really fast so that coconut oil doesn't harden. Coconut oil likes to be room temperature. It's solid at room temperature. So since we heated it up and we're putting frozen blueberries in it, we got to make sure we stir it really, really fast. Now we're going to pour it in our tray. Again, parchment paper is optional.
What else? What else?
Quick, quick, quick.
What else?
Well, that's all our ingredients. Remember, we only have 4 ingredients. Remember what they were?
No.
You want to taste that? Is it good?
Can you put some blueberries in my bowl?
We can. So now here's the fun part. You're going to smash it down with your hands. Ready? Smash it down. Yep. Smash it, smash it. It's okay, you're going to get dirty. Just smash it all over. Pack it, pack it, pack it.
You pack it more.
I'll pack it more.
You give some blueberries.
So we did a really quick stir of our warm coconut oil with our maple syrup into our cold coconut and blueberry mixture. Shilda's licking up her hands. And then we poured it into our tray and we're pressing it down, packing it nice and tight and even. If you have something that's bigger than the one I have, you're just gonna have to either make it thinner, which is gonna be harder to have it cool, or you're just gonna have to pack it into one corner. You could also do this in like a loaf tray or whatever. But I'm packing it real good because I don't want it to be crumbly when I take it out. All right, and then once it's packed as much as it's gonna pack, you lick your fingers.
Yep.
Wanna lick mine? And you get the blueberry off your chin. No, let me get the blueberry off your chin. Okay. Yay, so pretty. Is that pretty? We're gonna stick it in the fridge or the freezer if you wanted to go faster. And you can take it out and cut it. We'll show you that in a second. All right, and we're back. We've cleaned up our area while we let our coconut blueberry bars harden. Yep, they got hardened. We put them in the freezer to speed up the process. Yeah. They're only in there half an hour. Normally I'd leave them in a little bit longer. But, you know, we gotta move on with our day. So, here they are. Again, parchment paper is optional. If they were just in here, we'd just like scoop some out and eat it, basically. Yeah. But there's our bars. Next time we should make them a little bit thicker, maybe.
Careful.
Cut. I'm gonna cut us a little square here to try for the camera. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me get a plate. Wait, not yet. Really careful.
You do it because you're real careful.
Okay. There's 2 bars. Hilda's already got blueberry face. Okay, take a little hunk off. Give it a try. Oh, you can eat both of them? That one's mine. All right, take a bite. Is it good? I think I would probably leave these in the freezer for at least another half an hour than we did. But it still tastes great, yeah? Bye. Bye. See you next time.
And go turn off the phone.
Yeah.